So this is the second training session of Proud Canaries FC, which was launched just before Christmas 2017. It's a project jointly with Proud Canaries, the Norwich City LGBT fan group, and Aviva and Norwich City football team. Tonight we've got Toby and Jackson from CSF putting the Proud Canaries through their paces. It's been quite challenging for them.
Well, I think it's something exceptional, and I really appreciate that the club community partner Aviva supports a local community event like this. I think you should never take this support for granted, and so I'm really pleased and grateful that it is this way in this club.
I'd be very excited to be joined by Christoph Zimmermann.
Good evening, guys. Good to see you guys.
We need you in our team.
Brilliant it is to see, first team player from Norwich City join in and just get in there and play properly with a squad of LGBT players. Yeah. It's really lovely to see.
It's always nice to see smiles on the faces of the guys when you join in and when you surprise them. And I have to say, the session was fun. So I'm really happy to have taken part in it, and I hope that everybody today had some fun and enjoyed the session.